GoPro this time, man. Cause I got a whole GoPro. And it's always sitting in the bag. Like I don't never use my GoPro, man. So I gotta start utilizing my equipment more effectively, more often, cause the dang thing gonna sit there and rot. But yeah. So y'all seen the announcement that was made on yesterday. So she about to tear something up. She don't get no food. So we finna go and get some food. She ain't never. I don't think you've ever said this to me since we've been together.
What, I want a steak.
She said, I want a steak. What? Who gotta go steak? What? I'm always the one talking about what a steak said. I want me a good steak. Man, she coming to the house day like, man, where the cookies and shit? I said, huh? Where the steak at, bro? Like, I don't know. You wanna go get a steak? Yeah, bro, let's go get a steak. Cause I'm home. We are home. So that's what we doing, man. That's trying to act all shy. Like she ain't see it. Oh, tired. A little tired. I'm very tired, y'all. But anyway, then man, we finna head up here, man, to where we going back to Longhorn? Finna go over to Longhorn, man. Get us some of that right there. I will gladly let y'all see how we eating around here. So with that being said, man, y'all hold it down, man. Pick this camera. Oh no, recording. So I thought I was recording. Is that what? Unlimited menu. Look, she got her fork ready for my salad. Look.
Look. That I want some.
Look how her fork sitting, y'all. Look. She ain't, look, that joint is firm in her hand. Like, she fuck my shit up. She fuck my shit up. Oh my God. Hey man, this Parmesan crusted spinach dip, fire. That shit, they're good. Got me a sparkling water, man. I started drinking this sparkling water now, man. Trying to see what this about. But yeah, got me old Caesar salad here. Trying to do something strange to this joint here. So I'll be back, man. Y'all see what my entree is. Man, the lady ain't even took her hand off the plate yet, man. Look, God, dog. Baby, I already cooked, man. Baby, you and that? You and that baby ain't playing, boy. She said, get your hand off my plate so I can cut it. But yeah, man. I'm about to flip this table over here, man. There's my salad. French spinach dip. Got this old, what I got? A ribeye? I got the outlaw ribeye. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep, tonight I am. Couldn't even finish it, man. Big 22 ounce. Okay. Yeah, another water. She couldn't eat all of it, y'all. She wasn't at home. Ooh, man. She full now. She got the music on though.
That's on TikTok.
Still music. But look at her. She's so full, she over there just miserable.
Time to go sleep now.
Yeah. Night. Nick finna go night night. Wanna go night night, nigga?
What are you talking?
Huh? try to download ESPN right quick so we can watch this game. Yeah, download the app. And yeah. Baby know about all this type of stuff. I don't. I have no idea what she's talking about. But I'm gonna do that, man. And yeah, chill out for the rest of the night. Guess I'm gonna rub some feet. Ever since her feet was hurting, man. Rub foots. She's carrying precious cargo, man. Gotta keep them ties right. Yes, gotta keep them ties right. Make sure the right pounds of pressure is in there.
Think it's football.
Okay, y'all. We back at the hell. Lay it down, y'all. Lay it down. Try to see if I can find this game on TV. If not, I'm just gonna have to listen to it on the phone. Yeah. Whew. Good and full, man. I know I ain't supposed to be eating laying down, but I'm grown. Mind your business.
A lot of conversation, but he's had a pretty good year. He's been really solid
Yeah,
inside.
man.
2nd and 13.
We do.
Brady in the gun with Fournette on his left.
I'll let y'all.
Snap back, looking in the middle, throwing
And the next
to
one.
the middle, incomplete. Short
Man, I hate I can't zoom in with this GoPro, man. But look, man. Hey, man. Baby done found me an app where I can put this on the TV, man. Good God. That's my dog person say. So, yep. I turned the volume down because I ain't want no copyright from all that. But, yeah. Here we go, man. I'm finna watch the game, so y'all can't watch the game. Because I know most of y'all that's on probably some Cowboy haters anyway. So, nah, y'all can't watch the game with me. So, now, I will see y'all in the next video.